Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert SIM card in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's do it. So here is my phone S23 Ultra, and to put your SIM card inside, first you need to look into the box for the pin, and here there is the pin. And now let's look to the bottom of the phone, and here we have two holes, but you need to put the pin inside the second hole here. So I will show you. I hope you see it. So this is the right position, okay? And now just push it like this. Now remove the slot. This is for the SIM1 and this is for the SIM2. I will put first the SIM1, and now let's put the SIM2, and this is the right position, okay? And as you can see, the first one doesn't fit too well, and you need to be a little careful when you put it inside the phone. And now let's put the SIM card inside. You need to keep it like this and be a little careful. And now push it, and that's all. Now you can power on your phone, and you can enter your SIM card pin if you have one, and that's all. Now to remove the SIM cards you need to power off your phone, put the pin inside the hole again, be careful, push it, remove the slot, remove the cards, and put it back. This is the right position. And that's all. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.